All right, so here comes the unboxing of the Cube pillow. Or maybe it's the unwrapping. Came U.S. Postal Service delivery. This funky cool bag. This is the Cube pillow. Sleep into the future. All right, so you have to cut all this crap off here, a little bit of the edge, and then these come off, and then danger not for babies and kids, right? So here we go. I have to cut this open. So once you cut it open, your pillow rolls out. It's a lot longer than I expected it to be. And at this point, some air is going to go into it. I think it still probably needs a little bit more air. But so this came out of this bag with all the instructions on it of the Pillow Cube. Pillow Cube. Sleep into the future. So you can order yours at the link below and enjoy it. All right, so now we need to get this plastic off of it. All right, so I've gotten all the plastic and all the wrappings off of the Pillow Cube. You can see it. And it's starting to take in some air. And I'm going to sleep on it tonight. So, again, grab your Pillow Cube at the link below and enjoy.